Hi, Dennis. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Now, your organization, the National Association of Investment Clubs, help novice investors get these clubs up and running all over the country, and then you help them operate smoothly. There are definite do's and don'ts when it comes to running an investment club. Is that right?
Pam and Jack, there's three things that we really want to remember here with regard to an investment club. Each individual member is responsible for their actions. They need to take an active role in the investment club. Two, there needs to be a checks and balance system set up in the club where there's internal audits going on an annual basis. And number three, Pam and Jack, the club should be set up as a partnership or a limited liability company. Funds should be invested directly with a brokerage firm or a bank, not with one individual of the investment club.
This is great. Those internal controls are key.
Dennis, now I thought that this was great. Jose prefers to use an investment advisor for his club, and they go through a major brokerage house. And that way the club can tap into all those expensive resources, you know, the access to the analyst research, etc.
And it's wonderful that they're able to benefit from such resources. It's a practice that a number of our investment clubs will do as well, where they'll use their broker or the investment research and analyst reports that are provided through the brokerages as a second opinion.
I think I get what's going on here, okay? Jose's club pays full commission rates to get all that information, but he shares that with Tomas's club, which goes through a discount broker, so they're kind of getting a two-for-one thing, which is very smart.
It's brilliant.
More impressed with these guys.
Absolutely. Now, by the way, in case you wonder, investment clubs, performance-wise, do overall a little bit better than the stock market index. And I'm taking the Standard & Poor's 500, for example, and that's pretty good. But Dennis, I imagine that the newer clubs are probably finding it a little bit harder to stick together when the stock market is so volatile.
Mm-hmm. Oh, without a doubt. It's in fact, we see that with in this environment. Some of our newer clubs that came on board just before, or that come on board before these types of events, will jump ship. They haven't had the experience or the time to get up to speed from an education and experience standpoint to weather these types of situations out.
Dennis, this is great. Really valuable information. You know what? I'm surprised you didn't ask if some of these clubs accept dogs.
Oh, come on. Chloe has a job here.
Dogs are allowed at club meetings, and we would love for Chloe to make a special visit to one of our clubs in the near future.
All right, Dennis. Thank you, Dennis.
Whatever.
Told you.